Hey there, and welcome to this video on koalas, one of the most loved animals on the planet. In this video, we're going to learn all about koalas, including their habitat, diet, behavior, and more. So let's dive in. Koalas, also known as koala bears, are a marsupial native to Australia. They are known for their distinctive appearance, with round, fluffy ears, a large nose, and a fluffy body. However, despite their cute and cuddly appearance, koalas are not bears, and they're not related to bears. Instead, they are a type of marsupial, which means that they carry their young in a pouch. Koalas are found throughout the eastern and southeastern regions of Australia, and they prefer to live in eucalyptus forests and woodlands. These areas provide them with the food and shelter they need to survive. Koalas are also known for their territorial behavior, and they often stick to one particular tree or group of trees. Koalas are herbivores, and their diet consists mainly of eucalyptus leaves. In fact, they are so specialized that they can only eat certain types of eucalyptus leaves. Koalas have a special digestive system that allows them to break down the toxins in eucalyptus leaves, which are poisonous to most other animals. Koalas are well adapted to their arboreal lifestyle, with a number of physical characteristics that make them well suited to life in the trees. For example, they have sharp claws that allow them to grip onto branches and climb trees, and they have a long, muscular tail that helps them balance. Koalas also have thick fur, which helps protect them from the elements. Koalas are known for their laid-back, slow-moving lifestyle. They spend most of their time sleeping, often up to 20 hours per day. When they are awake, they spend their time eating, grooming, and occasionally moving from tree to tree. Koalas are generally solitary animals, and they only come together to mate. Unfortunately, koalas are facing a number of threats to their survival. One of the biggest threats is habitat loss, as their natural habitat is destroyed by human activities such as logging and urban development. To help protect koalas, conservation efforts are underway throughout Australia. These efforts include the creation of wildlife corridors to connect fragmented habitats, as well as the protection and restoration of eucalyptus forests. There are also efforts to rehabilitate injured and sick koalas and to breed them in captivity. Now, let's end this video with some fun facts about koalas. Koalas have unique fingerprints, just like humans. Baby koalas are called joeys, and they are born the size of a jelly bean. Koalas are often referred to as koala bears, but they're not actually bears. Koalas have excellent hearing, and they can detect sounds that are too high-pitched for humans to hear. Alright, so that's all we have on koalas for today. If you liked learning about these amazing creatures, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time to learn all about another amazing animal.